Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today, I'm announcing my new collection for Revival Ink shirts called Companion Animals. For this collection, I asked my wild pack mates, that's what I call my followers because you're like family to me, what animal speaks to you? It could be real or folklore as long as it amuses or inspires you. For example, my companion animal is the magical zebracorn. Your responses were so thoughtful that I wanted to share them. Anonymously, of course. I don't want to embarrass anyone. Stay tuned to see which animals were selected for the collection and who won the Feather Hoodie Giveaway. Before I get into reading your animals, I just want to personally thank everyone who took the time to respond. Even artists who have been drawing for years get artist block, and I have been in a real slump lately. But you help me so much. You are the reason I keep creating my art. During COVID, the struggle to make it as an independent artist has gotten very difficult. I'm still limping along, and I will continue to do so until things are normal again, whatever that looks like. But seeing so many of my fellow artists and the local stores that keep us alive struggling to keep afloat has been the hardest part. We have been losing small businesses in the retail, arts, and entertainment sector left and right. But we are in this together, and it has brought a lot of us closer, even through the virtual world. I feel so very fortunate to still be here, and I am so touched and grateful for your support. Your comments, likes, purchases, and reviews remind me why I'm doing this. For the last 13 years, you visited me at festivals, craft shows, and for 6 years at my shop in Ballard, Monster Art and Clothing. You even followed me after I sold the store so I could refocus on my art again. I have connected with so many of you on a personal level. I've seen your kids grow up through your yearly visits to my booth at the street fairs and markets during the summer months. I've missed you all this year so very much that I started this YouTube channel as a way to still connect with you. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you. You are the inspiration for this new collection. Here are just a few of the emails that really made me smile. Hi, Tara. Some of the animals that speak to me are coyotes, wolves, dinosaurs, and lizards. I love your hoodies and sweaters. I'm always wearing them. Another one reads, Dear Tara, I love, love, love my otter shirt. That's my spirit animal, and I'm stuck there. But maybe a couple of otters rafted up? Good luck. That's a really cool idea. I love otters too, which is why I have one in my collection already, but I know I'll make another otter design sometime in the future, don't you worry. Another email reads, Hi Tara, I enjoy dragons a lot, Eastern or Western. I have to mention that I actually have 2 dragon tattoos, one on each of my shins, so I also really love dragons, and I feel you. I also like goats because they're funny and have weird eyes. That's true. And you've already done narwhals and llamas. Hope you're doing well. Well, that email was just chock full of cool animals. I'm going to be tallying them up with the rest. Another one reads, "Hi Tara. Well, I'm all about cats. We have a Bengal and a tuxedo, but I'm also intrigued by sloths. Good luck with the new collection. Meowt." It really says meowt, which is funny because I also like cats, and my partner and I talk to each other in meows sometimes, and sometimes we say meowt. You know, like I'm out, but meowt. It's a thing. Another one reads, "Hi Tara. My son who loves your shirts says wolf or dragon." Hi Tara. I love giraffes. Would love to see a shirt with giraffes. Hi Tara. I hope you're doing well, and I see you're still making beautiful art. Aww. My boyfriend loves his Space Cat shirt. For spirit animal, mine has always been the shark, but most recently a jelly swarm. A swarm of jellyfish inspired by the SS Jelly Swarm mutant vehicle I made in 2017 with one of my friends. Take care. Ah yes, I remember the SS Jelly Swarm. In case y'all don't know what a mutant vehicle is, let me fill you in. There's an amazing arts festival called Burning Man. Some of you may have heard of it. Well, it's an amazing community of artists, makers, builders that all come together in the middle of the harsh desert to build a temporary city. The city is only there for 2 weeks, Build Week, and then the week that it's open to everyone. The large-scale art projects are unparalleled by anything you've seen, I promise. I've been going since 2012, and I've been part of building many art projects, including a full-scale suspension bridge that inverts in the middle, and a 5-story high firehouse, complete with pole and paintings and fire spinners. I even had my own mutant vehicle for 3 years, a Triceratops named Tracy. This would have been the 35th anniversary of Burning Man, but like most things, it was canceled due to COVID. However, they did make a virtual version of it you can still explore. Find out more at burningman.org. I'll put a link below in the description. I wish that I could illustrate all of the animals you suggested. It was hard to only choose a few for this collection. But that doesn't mean I won't feature your suggestions in future collections. Here are the animals I will be making for the new collection. First place is horses. Lots of people love horses, and I totally get that. When I was a little girl, that was hands down my favorite animal. Second place was wolves, and that makes sense. Wolves are pretty cool. Third place, actually tied for third place, were goats and dogs. So I will be making both of those. And next was grizzly bears. And being in the Northwest where we have a lot of bears, I hadn't really thought that I hadn't made one yet, but I am really excited to make one now. And then in last place of the ones that I will be making was actually Bigfoot or Sasquatch. I guess there's a lot of people out there that kind of relate to his silly mythological embodiment of a creature man. I don't know. I just made that up. And then those are all the ones that I'm going to make. So that's horses, wolves, goats, dogs, grizzly bears, and Sasquatch. But I also want to read off some of the other cool animals that people suggested because there were some really, really neat ones, and I'm definitely saving them for future collections. Otters, which I already have an otter design, but I'm totally going to make another one. Cats, again, I have so many cat designs, but I'm not going to stop making them. Sloths, I have a sloth design. Oh, dragons were popular, and I'm definitely going to do a dragon in the future. Perhaps like a whole dragon collection, because they are awesome. Giraffe, crows. I also have a crow design. It's currently only on men's shirts, but I might make a version that works for women's tees as well. Owls. I have an owl design. Hawks. Hawks or eagles would be really fun to do, so that will be coming too. Coyotes, dinosaurs, lizards, which are kind of close but also very different. Foxes. I do have a fox design. Slugs, scorpion, phoenix, panther, octopus. I think I have 3 or 4 octopus designs. But another one of my favorite creatures, so I will be making more. Salamander, heron, hamster, unicorn, will-o-wisp. Now this one I had to Google. I wasn't sure what that is. It's really cool, but I'm not going to ruin it for you. I want you to go look it up because you'll like what you find. It's really neat. Trust me. Kingfishers, bears. Well, actually I did a bear. Manta ray, snakes, capybara, and a lynx. Oh, and also I almost forgot, hedgehogs and a flying pig were mentioned, but those are also designs that I've already done. But raccoon is another one that if I can get it done in time, I'm gonna throw into this collection. I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna have to wait and see. The new collection is coming out in 2 weeks, maybe a little less. So I've really got to get cracking on these illustrations. I've already got some sketches, but still have a lot of work ahead of me. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm going to announce the giveaway winner. The winner of the giveaway is Wendy. Congratulations! Yay! And don't worry, I will be emailing you to let you know how you can claim your prize. And thanks so much to everyone who entered the giveaway and took the time to let me know what your favorite animal is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and then ring that bell so that you can get notified when I make new content. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye! And llama. So, the winner of the... I will be... Congratulations! Bye!